Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. As you know, the Honda Odyssey right here, that minivan that we are building, you know, we got this one from Copart with a very minor front end damage to the bumper and the fender, which we fixed. You can see, let me show you where the damage was and what it looks like now. But today we'll be restoring the headlights, guys. Okay, it's all fixed now. You can see we restored that headlight, okay, and that's what we started with. You can see how nasty that thing is. Super bad. Okay, check it out how burned the plastic is. Okay, and what we're going to do, guys, we'll show you how to make them new. So what we're using now, masking tape, just, you know, get some painting tape and tape all the way around the headlight. Okay, I want to show you the end result. That's what we're striving for. Let's see if we will be able to fix this one and make it look like this one now. We're still waiting on the grill. We ordered one online, so it should be here any minute. Okay, so we're almost ready then. What we need to do, we need to get some water and sandpaper, guys. Stay with us to see what exactly we need to use and what it needs to be done to turn that thing like brand new. It's important not to use clear coat. People do that and sometimes you melt the plastic and it's your headlight, do whatever you want to. But what we do now, if you apply UV sealant every six months, the headlight will stay like new for as long as you want it to. So 1200 sandpaper now. Okay, we dip it in water. We'll have links on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com, guys. It's in the description how to do that, where to get the products from. Okay, and check it out. Okay, that nasty stuff right here, that yellowish stuff, we need that gone. What we're striving for, we need clear foam, white foam, not yellowish. You can see this is definitely yellowish. Okay, check it out on the bumper and when it drops down there, what it looks like. So we are going to sand like that for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you need to make sure you cover the whole headlight. Okay, just like that. And this one is bad. I don't think they've ever been polished in the past, restored. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit clear, but still yellowish coming from it. So we'll sand a little bit more. Okay, you can see now it turned white, so that's what we want. White foam, not yellowish foam. Okay, the headlight is not good at all yet. Okay, you see it's still dull, especially if you dry it. We need to get 2000 sandpaper now. The same procedure, dip it in water. Okay, and what's important is to go back and forth. Do not go in circles. Okay, back and forth. What happens? It will be really easy for the machine to polish that later. Because if you go in circles, it will not buff out as good. At least not as easy. And that 2000 sandpaper will reduce the scratches from 1200, which means that it will polish in less time, less effort, and it will look better too. It will polish better. Okay, so that's good. We're going to rinse it now. Okay, the whole headlight, make sure you don't have anything left. Okay, and we'll remove the tape. We are ready with that thing. So what we are going to do, we'll use these compounds right here. Number 1, number 2 by 3M. This is a Perfect-It. Okay, Perfect-It series, rubbing compound and machine polish right here. So links will be on our website, guys. You can check those things out. Something like that, not to say a big word, you can probably polish over 200 headlights. So they sell them in smaller quantities too. But if you want to polish your car, this thing works really good, believe me. We had some orange peel here, so we actually fixed that, and you can see with the same compounds, no orange peel at all. Okay, since we're done with it, check it out, crystal clear finish on the paint. Alright guys, so we'll pull the tape. We need to dry the whole headlight now. Everything needs to be really dry before we proceed to the next step. You see it will get really dull now, not shiny at all once you dry, but just stay with us to see how shiny that thing will turn out. You can use just a foam pad, but we have this is by 3M. It's a rubbing compound pad, and we'll just use this one because we have it, but we've done many with just a single foam pad. You don't need to switch them, but it's recommended to do it. It will buff out easier, otherwise you might have to put compound twice. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll just get a small amount and cover the whole headlight now. Okay, a thin layer on the whole headlight. Okay, like that. Alright guys, that's what it looks like after the first compound. Stay with us, it will get even better. We're going to install, okay, the second pad now. Just a regular foam pad, okay, right here. So, number 2, machine polish, again, thin layer. We're going to go once. Depending how bad the headlight is, you get the feeling of it, you might need to go twice, but if you do the sanding right, one should be enough. Okay, the same thing. So all we're going to do now, just polish this one as well. Alright guys, check it out. This is the finished result. Crystal clear headlight. Okay, you can see inside. We don't have any scratches or anything like that. Amazing. That's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.